Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, but if you have Chevy Sonic it should apply as well because they share the same engines and the same computers, guys. We'll explain if you flooded your engine, how to deflood it. Let's say you flooded the spark plugs, how to deflood them, guys. There is a special procedure for that and it's super simple. Now some of you might need to remove the spark plugs, dry them. We have a video how to do that, or replace them, but most of the times deflooding the engine will actually help you start your engine. So stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. We're not talking about water deflooding, okay, because if you flooded your engine with water, pretty much done, guys. We have a video how to repair it, so check out that on the channel as well. So let's go ahead, show you what we'll be doing. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze, and every car we get at the shop we'll be making these 200 videos. That's because, guys, our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you'll find the information helpful. So let me show you now, okay, what we'll be doing here. If your car, guys, doesn't want to start, you flooded it for some reason, we'll explain, okay, how simple with a fuel injection system is to deflood it. Doesn't matter which engine you have, guys, the procedure is about the same. So what you guys need to do now, okay, you're going to press the gas pedal all the way down. Okay, check it out, all the way down like that. I mean to the floor, guys, and you're going to turn the car, okay, for about 3 to 5 seconds. Listen now, and hear how it didn't start first. Okay, now that's deflooding, guys. And then release and you'll start. So hold the gas pedal down, okay, until the car starts, guys. It may take a little bit. If it doesn't, stop. And now let go if you crank for more than 5 seconds and try to start it. And you should be able to start with no problems. So what that does now, guys, when you press the gas pedal all the way down, okay, even pump it sometimes, guys, I'll recommend to pump it 3 times and hold it down. You can see it deactivates the fuel injectors for a short period of time, and as a result, guys, the engine defloods. Now, if everything's fine with the fuel system, eventually it will start. If it doesn't, let go and try to start it without holding the gas pedal down, and that should take care of your problem. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.